Good morning, all of you. Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation Education Department, Secondary Section Marathi Medium, Online Education Session. I heartily welcome our respected education officers, our dear BO Madam, our CNO, Thakre Madam, my dear teachers and dear students. I am Madhukar Sirsat from Kandivali Municipal Secondary School, Bajaj Road. In the previous English lesson, we learned a beautiful poem to a butterfly presented by our senior teacher, Javde sir. Today, we are going to learn very effective and useful topic for standard 9th and 10th English subject, which is news report writing. News report writing related English question paper, question number 6, B1. That is, write a news report based on the given headline. It is for 5 marks. I think everyone knows about news, even though what is exact meaning of news, the question arises in mind, that is, what is news? Any WS, we generally thought that any WS is a commonly thought that news is an acronyms of the 4 main directions: north, east, west, and south. As the news comes from everywhere, but this is not true. News is a factual information about current events. News is reported by a variety of sources. Report of recent events, information broadcast over the radio, television, online, or print media, such as newspapers, magazines, television shows, cable and radio programs, websites, email messages, and word of mouth. So, news is information about current events. Dear student, now we must know about the types of news. There are 3 main types of news. First is print media, second is broadcast media, third one is internet media. Print media is a means of mass communication in the form of printed publications, for example, newspapers, magazines, circulars, journals, pamphlets, periodicals, etc. And then we turn the print media. What is exact print media? Print media is a means of mass communication in the form of printed publication, example, newspapers, magazine, circulars, journals, pamphlets, periodical, etc. And then other is broadcast media. Broadcast media includes news broadcasting is a medium of broadcasting of various news events and other information via television and radio. Third one is internet media of news includes this is a vast area of information. We can say digital journalism, internet-based social media, online newspapers, live streaming, world news, so many features available on the internet related to electronic media, computer, internet system. In today's world, every second we discover or invent new things so that we must know of importance of news. The elements of writing news report, which is fact about news report, there are functional and informational material need to us written in short paragraphs of 1 to sentences, use plain languages. WH belongs at the beginning, first two paragraphs of report. W for WH questions, what, when, where, how. These questions involved in this paragraph includes quotations from key people who are witness or part of the story written in the third person, does not use I. Then topics of news, there are so many topics of news. There is no limitation for these topics. For example, business, fashion, world of entertainment, athletic events, war, government, politics, education, health, sport, environment, economy, businesses, unusual events, etc. There are so many topics of news. There is no limitation with these topics. And day to day, the technology involves everything for broadcasting media. The news report includes the following points: facts about news report, factual and informational materials written in short paragraphs of 1 to sentences, use plain language. WH belong at the beginning, first two paragraph of the news report, include quotations from key people who are witness or part of the story. Written in the third person does not, we must use third person, does not use I. The news report includes headline, a photo, a byline, a place line, a lead paragraph, body paragraphs, and initially quotations or conclusion. Headlines, it is the title of the article. It should be catchy and grab the attention of your readers. For example, Kashmir is now Union's territory. New rules for lockdown 4.0. This type of headline attracts reader towards the news. The headline is most important part of the report. The headline should give the readers an almost complete idea of what the report is about. Don't make it too long. This is a part of headline. Then another part of report is picture or photographs. The photo will relate to the headline of the news. Report illustrating characteristics of the story. And then next paragraph is byline. Byline is the person who write the news. The byline is nothing but the name of the author or the reporter who is the filling the report. It comes after the headline. Who wrote the report? Remember, when you write your own news report, you will use your own name. That shows in example, shout out to E.I. Cerrito, the written by David M. Dolan, PhD. This is a byline. Next example, refugees boards aid mainly moral, and then by Mary Hanarday is the byline. Next, the most important part of news report is place line. Where the report was written, the place the report was written depends on where the incident took place. The place line is where you are sitting while writing the report. If you are sitting in Borivali and written about something that happened in Dombivli, you should just use Borivali and not Dombivli. The place reflect the reporter where it's cover the news. Then next point is dateline. Dateline, the date is the date on which the report is being written. Keep the date for format like January 20. No need to use year. Spell out the name of month. Use colon after the date. And short writing the introduction. Lead paragraphs, we can say the introduction. The first paragraph of the article in the lead paragraph, you must include the 4 WH. Who was the involved in the incident? What exactly happened? Where Where did it happen and when did it happen? The 4H is important in this paragraph. The first lead paragraph, first introduction paragraph. The introducing paragraph should explain to the readers what the event is all about. Most of the readers just read this paragraph and leave. So make sure you include what happened, where happened, how, and when. These 4H is most important in first paragraph. And then paragraph number 2, the second paragraph of the report explains how and why the incident happened. Paragraph number 3, in the third paragraph, you will need to include at least one quotation from someone who was part of the incident and who was interviewed for the report. Paragraph number 4, in the last paragraph, you will include any additional information the reader may want to know. What is the exact ending? After you have mentioned the basics in the introduction, the readers who are interested would like more detail about the event, so he will read the body. The body should include more details about the event. If someone is taking something, it should be mentioned here. The body can be more than one paragraph. And then next important part of the news is conclusion. The conclusion is a small paragraph where you can mention what is expected in future or what happened in the past relating to the event, or it can be anything. The motive of the conclusion is to give the report a proper closure so that the report shouldn't sound like it ended suddenly. This is a work of conclusion. Conclusion is the main part of the news report. So, news report writing format. Look at here all the things we can properly arrange through headline, byline, dateline, intro, short paragraph, and conclusion. You need to keep the format in mind and write the report in accordance with the subject asked. Here is a title or headline that reflects in a bold: Tiger attacks 8-year-old boy at Sanjay Gandhi National Park. This is the headline. Headline always in a bold manner. Byline: by XYZ report, by, for example, by PTI, by ANI, so that we can say by XYZ report. And we must write in newspaper writing XYZ reporter, not a specific name. Deadline: deadline reflects the actual incident happened time, 20th December, Mumbai. An introduction paragraph start after the deadline. A 8-year-old boy was attacked and killed by tiger on Saturday evening, close to the film city at Sanjay Gandhi National Park. This is a dateline and introduction or lead paragraph. Dateline reflects date is the date on which the report is being written. Keep the date format like January 20, like 20th December. No need to use year. Here is no need to year. Spell out the name only like December, January, February of the month. Use colon and after the date and short writing paragraph introducing. In this introducing paragraph should explain to the readers what the event is all about. Most of the readers just read first introduction paragraph. This paragraph read and then they leave. So make sure you include the first paragraph, what happened, where happened, how and when in this paragraph. And then start short paragraph. Short paragraph like the Mumbai forest raid said the incident took place around 5:30 p.m. Vihan Nilesh Garuda came to evening walk in the park but suffered many injuries on his neck since attacked by tiger. Then they rushed to nearest hospital but he was declared dead. This is a detailing in a short paragraph. After in this paragraph, we have mentioned the basic in the introduction. The readers who are interested would like more detail about the event. So he will read this paragraph. The body should include more details about the event. If someone is talking something, should be mentioned here. The body can be more than one paragraph. And last, conclusion. Conclusion is the most important factor in news because the motive of the conclusion is to give the report a proper closure so that the report shouldn't sound like it ended suddenly. Here is Sachin was grabbed and took by tiger few meters away from his family members. Inamdar Samir, forest officer, said the body was deadly injured and died at the spot, and he complete and the other information and investigation will be done. This is a quotation by the Inamdar Samir or officer said. News report writing, this format is compulsory to write the same manner. Now our format of news like headline, byline, place, date, the first introducing paragraph, second body, and third closure. In this format, we have to write news report. Then marking scheme. This is a example, another example of headline, byline, place line, quotations, and body. In this news example, the car thief caught trapped in target vehicle. This is a headline. Then Wednesday, February 25th. Here is a mention 2009. There is we have We just know the year is not mentioned in our report. Canberra, this is a place line. And next, the introduction paragraph. A bungling Australian car thief was nabbed after accidentally locking himself in the vehicle he was trying to steal, police said Wednesday. This is the lead paragraph or introductional paragraph. And then body of the report. And lastly, the quotation used: the man, while breaking into the car, had locked himself in the car and couldn't get out. If there is necessary to put your quotation, Southern Australia police said, adding a second thief was found hiding in nearby. This is a proper closure with quotation of the news report. And the activity sheet, question number 6. B. B1 is news report for 5 marks. First, title or beginning, 1 mark. Vocabulary and grammar for 1 mark. Use or appropriate points, 2 marks. And logical order and conclusion, 1 mark. This is the marking scheme of the activity sheet of English subject. Question number 6B, B1. Points to remember while writing news report. We must know in our mind these points, how to write and which points remember in our mind. First, use past tense. Second, use third person, he, she, it, or they. Use passive voice, includes quotation from key people. Next, report is factual description of an event, incident that has already happened. Secondly, it gives more information in a few words. No space for our opinions and suggestions. There should be minimum 3 paragraphs. These points helps us to how to write effective news report. Then now we going to sample news report. Model English School wins Cleanest School Award. Subheading: Model English School, the cleanest school by school representative. February 27, 25th February was the great day for the student of our model English school. On that day, we were given the cleanest school award by the mayor, Sri Gajanan More. Every month from June onwards, there have been spot checks by members of the municipality, and we have always emerged shining. The concept of cleanliness has how become a part of us. It has sunk into our blood. Every class has its own cleanliness perfect. Every corridor on every floor of the school has its cleanliness monitor. Then the posters, the debates, the meetings, and the camps held by students at every class level went towards creating a very strong awareness about cleanliness. It was a united effort for which we have to thank in a large measure our wonderful principal and our teachers. They backed us at every point. This award belongs to the whole school, every student, every member of the staff, and our principal richly deserves it. This is a model report for us how to write headline, byline, dateline, place line, introductional paragraph, body of the paragraph, and closure. Now move to another example. Write a report of how your school celebrated Independence Day this year. Independence Day celebration. This is a headline. BMC Secondary School, August 15. This year, Independence Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm in BMC Secondary School. All the students and teachers gathered on the school ground at 7:30 a.m. The chief guest, Mr. Thackeray, collector of this city, arrived and everyone cheered. He hoisted the national flag at 8 a.m. Everyone stood to attention and saluted the national flag. Then the students sang the national anthem. A group of students sang some patriotic song. Mr. Thackeray then addressed to the gathering. He addressed the need to improve the condition of women in society. He also pointed out several challenging careers open to women. This was followed by showing some events of the freedom struggle. The entire assembly then sang Vande Mataram. The school dispersed finally after the distribution of sweets. In this way, dear students, to follow the instruction and practice of write news report more and more, so that we know how to write newspaper report in our examination for 5 marks. All these points helpful or useful for us, and I requesting to follow all the instruction and write and practice more and more. So thank you very much. I requesting you to like, subscribe, click on the bell icon for our channel. Thank you. Thank you very much. Dear students, do you have any doubts or question? Ask me frequently.